In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Quip. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to set up a folder that keeps your workspace neat and easy to scan. Start by opening Quip in your browser or in the app. Once it loads, make sure you're on the main area where your items are listed. This is often called the Folders view or the home screen, and it's the place that shows your documents, folders, and any shared spaces you have access to. If you don't see your existing files, look for a Home or Folders option in the sidebar to switch to that view. Next, find the button that lets you create something new. Depending on your layout, this might be labeled New or Compose, or it could be a simple plus icon. You'll usually see it near the top of the screen or along the sidebar. The wording can vary slightly, but they all open the same creation menu. From that menu, choose New Folder. This tells Quip you want a container to organize items rather than a new document or spreadsheet. When you select it, a small window will appear asking for a few details. You'll be prompted to name the folder. Pick something clear and consistent so you and your teammates know what belongs inside it. Short, descriptive names work best. If you manage time-based work, consider including a date, quarter, or project code to make it searchable later. Avoid special characters that can make sorting or scanning harder. You can also choose a color to help you recognize the folder at a glance. Color coding is especially helpful if you manage multiple projects. For example, you might use one color for planning, another for design, and a third for reports. Choose whatever system makes sense to you and stick with it for consistency. Finally, select where the folder goes. This is the parent location, a personal area, a team space, or a specific existing folder. Placing it in the right spot from the start helps keep everything organized and ensures the right people can find it. If you're working in a shared space, remember that location determines who can see it based on that space's permissions. Click Create. Your new folder will appear in your folders list immediately. If you don't see it right away, sort by most recent or use the search bar to find the exact name you gave it. That's it. Your folder is ready and set up exactly where you need it.